We are from BSc IT Honors. My name is Anya Singh.
My name is Arun Bhargava.
My name is Shanda.
My name is Aditya Bhilwan.
My name is Aksham. My name is Sanyo.
So we have a project on our subject called Dynamics of Happiness.
And today we're going to interview random people on their mental health.
Hi, my name is Arun. What's your good name?
Sanya,
Hi Sanya, which course are you from?
BSc AI.
Okay Sanya, so I have a project on my subject called Dynamics of Happiness. Would you mind answering some questions for me?
Okay.
Okay, so here we go. My first question is, do you think happiness changes as we age?
I guess yes, because when we are younger, the meaning of happiness is completely different for us. But when we grow older, the meaning or our motive is different, so the meaning of happiness also changes.
Okay, thank you Sanya. I have another question. How do you think happiness is related to depression and sleep anxiety, etc.?
If we lack happiness, then it would be a big hassle for us to sleep. But if we have, then depression bhi nahi hoga, and it will be easier for us to sleep.
Thank you for your opinion, Sanya. It was so nice to meet you. Hi, my name is Arun Bhardwaj and I'm from BSc IT Honors. What's your good name?
Harkirat Singh,
Hi Harkirat, which course are you in?
BCom Honors first year.
Okay, so I have a project on my subject called The Dynamics of Happiness. Would you mind answering some questions for me?
No, please ask them.
Okay Harkirat, so here we go. My first question is, how is happiness linked to mental health issues like depression and anxiety?
I think mental health issues like depression and anxiety are closely linked to happiness in the sense that high happiness can lead to a person resisting of developing these issues, and then prolonged unhappiness can cause a person to develop mental health issues and can cause harm to a person's well-being.
Perfect Harkirat. So my second question is, how do you think happiness affects sleep quality, stress levels and the overall well-being of a person?
Like I said, they're closely linked. So happiness can improve a person's sleep quality, reduce stress, and improve overall well-being. Because happiness develops positive emotions and gives overall satisfaction to a person, which leads to all these results, which are like improved sleep quality, reduce stress, and overall improve a person's well-being.
Thank you so much Harkirat for your opinion. So nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Hello, bhai.
Hello bhai.
What's your name?
Ansh bhai.
Acha. So, what's your course?
BCA.
Can I ask you a question?
Yeah, sure.
So, what is happiness for you?
For me, happiness is to stay in village and do farming.
Okay. Thanks.
See you.
What's your name? What's your course? So, can I ask you a question? How can individuals maintain or increase happiness at different stages?
I think it depends on the person to person. Like there's so many people who just feel good but don't do anything, and there's so many people who prefer so many things for doing. Like you can say hobbies and all. There's so many people who prefer books and all. So yeah, you can say that's basically happiness.
Hello. What's your name? What's your course? So, can I ask you a question? How is happiness linked to mental health issues like depression and anxiety?
I think when you feel anxiety or depression, you don't feel like to do anything. You don't like to do your hobbies or anything. But when you are happy, you feel motivated to do your hobbies. And to an extent, it helps you overcome anxiety and depression.
Thank you.
Hello, bhai.
Hi bhai.
Bhai, what is your good name?
Hi Rakshit Bhargava.
Can I ask you a question?
हाँ भाई बिल्कुल.
What is happiness for you?
भाई मेरे लिए हैप्पीनेस इज हैंगिंग आउट विद माय कॉलेज फ्रेंड्स, भाई पेरेंट्स के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करना, स्पोर्ट्स खेलना, जिम जाना, और भाई लाइफ इज ऑल अबाउट हैविंग फन. और अभी तो भाई कॉलेज लाइफ है, तो भाई जितना एंजॉय.
थैंक यू. हेलो भाई, कैसे हो आप? हेलो, बढ़िया. भैया आपका नाम क्या है? मेरा नाम हर्ष. हर्ष क्या है भाई आपका? ऑर्गेनिक है. भैया आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछो. हाँ हाँ पूछो. Does happiness change as we age?
या इट डिपेंड्स लाइक जो अलग अलग एज ग्रुप के लिए अलग अलग हैप्पीनेस का मीनिंग्स होती है. लाइक जैसे कि अब बचपन में हमारे लिए कोई किसी खिलौने को लेना हैप्पीनेस होता है. अब जैसे हम बड़े होते हैं, जैसे अब कॉलेज एज में आ गए, तो अभी हमारा एक सेक्टर लाइक गोल अचीव करना, सबका एक अलग अलग होता है, किसी का कुछ होता है, तो वो अचीव करना हैप्पीनेस है. जब एक हम सर्टेन एज पे इससे ज़्यादा आगे बढ़ेंगे तो फिर एक हैप्पी फैमिली हमारे लिए गोल
गोल्स में हाईलाइट होगी तो वो अचीव करना है हैप्पीनेस होगी. सो ये लाइफ का लाइक अलग अलग डिफरेंट स्टेजेस के हिसाब से वो चेंज होता रहता है. थैंक यू.
From Happiness Project, my name is Sean. So can you introduce
Sure, I am Lavanya from DFAEC.
So are you comfortable if I ask you some questions?
Sure.
Alright, so are there any strategies or exercises recommended for those who find it hard to feel grateful?
Yes, like what I feel is that feeling grateful is an exercise that everybody should try each day. So there are 3 exercises that I practice every day. First is that I maintain a gratitude journal so that I can write down the things that I am grateful for. Then I go on a appreciation walk with my favorite person so that I can share like what they have put in my life that I am grateful for. And thirdly, I do meditation and focus on the things that are making me happy and feel grateful.
Great strategy. What was the name again?
Lavanya.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Hello everybody, my name is Ishan Nara. I'm here for my Happiness Project. Can you introduce yourself?
Okay, so my name is Sanya Sabirwal and I'm from BCA Evening.
So I'd like to ask you a question. Can I? Sure. What factors contribute to individual happiness?
Okay, so for me particularly, things which really uplifts my mood and makes me happy is watching sunsets and doing my makeup, spending some alone time and trying new foods, exploring places and taking care of myself basically, and to do things which I really like to do.
Okay, Vani, thank you for your answer. It was wonderful meeting you.
I am from Happiness Project. Can you introduce yourself?
My name is Pooja Chauhan and I am from BSc.
Does happiness change as we age? Are there particular life stages where happiness peaks or declines?
Actually, this is a very controversial question, but according to me, life stages, happiness do changes with life stages. As because when we are kids, we are way too happy, and as the age grows up, happiness somehow declines. As because of the responsibility, because of the stress we take, or there can be many options, like many other reasons. So happiness do change.
Hi, I am here from Happiness Project. Can you introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Minati. I'm from Psychology Department.
I want to ask you a question. What is happiness for you? Can you define happiness from a scientific perspective?
Happiness for me is like listening to music, and scientific में एक इमोशन है जो हम एक्सप्रेस करते हैं जब हम एक्साइटेड होते हैं, कुछ हमारे साथ अच्छा होता है तो हम उसको एक्सप्रेस करते हैं. दैट इज हैप्पीनेस.
Okay.
Hi, I'm from my Happiness Project. I'm going to ask you one question and you have to answer it. Can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure. Hello, my name is Gauri Reddy. I'm from BSc.
So my question is, how can individual maintain or increase happiness at different stages of life?
So, in my opinion, I think we should focus more on positive things and try to build relationship with people we feel comfortable with. And I think we should focus on positive things. There are a lot of negatives and positives.
And what do you think the negative things would be?
It depends on. It depends.
Hi, I'm here for my Happiness Project. I'm going to ask you a question. So, can you answer it? Can you introduce yourself first?
My name is Shivam. I'm doing BCA Honors from Amity. I'm in second sem.
Okay. So, my question is, what factors contribute to individual happiness?
I believe एक इंडिविजुअल को फिजिकली एज वेल एज मेंटली फिट होना चाहिए. उसका एक सोशल सर्कल होना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं है कि वो अकेला बैठा हुआ है, किसी से बात नहीं कर रहा. आके अच्छे से सोशलाइज करना चाहिए, अपने काम पे भी ध्यान देना चाहिए. एक बैलेंस मेंटेन करना चाहिए लाइफ में. कोई भी चीज़ को ओवर इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं देनी और किसी चीज़ को इतना भी सीरियस नहीं लेना कि वो परेशान हो जाए.
That's true. Thank you so much, sir.
Hello everyone, I'm Vidushi Pata and I'm pursuing BSc IT Honours in Research. I'm a first year student and I'm doing a research for my Happiness Project. So hi, can I know your name?
I'm Alia Puri from BA Applied Psychology Honours Research. I'm also a first year student.
Thank you so much. So I'll be asking you a question for my Happiness Project and you will have to answer it in 30 seconds to 1 minute. So the question is, how do personal values and goals align with individual happiness?
So personal value and goal is something one sets themselves, right? So when I came to this college, one of my goals was that get into a good friend group, have decent grades, and basically enjoy my college life. Something in school which I had trouble in. So I think that if, when I slowly achieve these steps, I'll be one step closer to happiness, because I'll feel a sense of fulfillment from inside. And I'll feel more happy, and I'll be in a place where I'm happy, and even if I do ever face a setback, I know that the goals I wanted to achieve, I have achieved them. And a minor or even a major setback, then there'll always be that reassurance inside that yes, I have achieved my goals. So and your values also, what you grew up with in your house and all, if you stick to your values, you always know, yes, I've been true to myself from the inside. So being true to yourself, achieving small goals, so much so today I will walk 5,000 steps. So even if your day is very bad, that small achievement you got, or that my mom tells me to follow these values, I have been following these values. So certain small things really helps going towards happiness and having self-fulfillment.
Basically, it pushes you in life. Even if it's the smallest achievement that you have made, it pushes you, right?
Yes.
Thank you so much.